guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Willow. You don't know, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to tell your friends and loved ones about Willow's Creation YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you don't subscribe to this channel as yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscription button. Today I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I made my third New Year greeting cards for 2021. So let's get right into it. I went ahead and prepared everything that I needed to make this card so that it is easier for me to make this video. The first thing I did was to fold the stock paper in half. Then I cut out a piece of designer paper that I bought on Amazon fit to size. After that, I went ahead and measured and glued 2 pieces of diamond on both edges of the card fit to size. When you are gluing the diamonds onto the paper, ensure that your fingers don't get too much glue on them, because if the glue catches your finger too much, it can cause a mess, and you don't want that because you want the cards to look beautiful. Then I glued the designer paper onto the front of the card and placed 4 hearts at each corner. Before I placed the hearts on the designer paper edges, I placed colored tapes on the edges of the designer paper. All of these you can get on Amazon and Walmart. The next step is to place the writing that I designed on the computer that I printed out before I started the video. I ensured that I marked where I wanted to place the note with a pencil before I glued it onto the paper so that it is straight. Then I glued the third piece of diamond in the middle of the card along with a flower. The reason for placing the diamond on the edges is because I don't want the edges to look messy. You have to make your work look presentable. Besides, nobody wants a card that looks like it was in a fight with someone. For now, the front portion of the card is finished, so it's time to design the inside portion. I glued a piece of white stock paper on the inside of the card, then I placed the inside note onto the white piece of stock paper. I used a pencil to mark where I wanted to place the note before I glued it because I want it to be as straight as possible. I did the same thing that I did for the front portion of this card into the middle. I placed 2 pieces of diamond onto the note edges. Remember to subscribe if you don't already subscribe to this channel as yet, and like, comment, and share. After I glued the diamonds on the note edges, I glued the paper flowers inside the middle of the card, which I did off camera. If you don't already watch my previous video of the first New Year cards that I made, go ahead and watch it. In that video, I showed how I glued the flowers inside the cards. I am going to place a link in the description box down below, so please feel free to go ahead and check it out. Then I tie the ribbon and glue the ribbon at the front of the card. I leave the ribbon for last because I don't want it to get in my way when I'm designing the inside portion of the card. This is the finished product. Thanks for watching. Again, please subscribe and share. I will also place a link in the description box down below of the video I uploaded when I made the pop-up flowers. For the next video I'm going to upload, I was thinking about sharing my 2020 journey with you all. Comment down below and let me know if I should drop this video. Also comment down below and let me know the video you all would like me to upload. I will see you all in the next video. Peace.